Here I've got SHARP B10 and let me show you how to activate boot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key, then select power off and click on tap to power off. Wait a couple of seconds. And once your device is shut down, simply tap on power key and volume up key, hold both keys all together until you are in boot mode. And here it is. As you can see, now we are in boot mode, where you can navigate by using volume up key, as you can see, just like that. And then you can select each option by tapping on OK. So from this mode you can activate recovery mode, fastboot mode or normal mode. So it's up to you whichever you want to access. And then obviously we can switch off this mode by choosing normal. So let me pick normal, this is the third option, and tap on power key to do it. Sorry, on volume down key and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now you are in normal mode, so you can use your device as usually. And that would be all. So this is how you can activate and use boot mode in your SHARP B10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.